Hello, Pranam, Namaste. Zen, ZEN. You must have heard the name. It's a Japanese form of Buddhism. Buddhism, but what is common in Japan? Zen thinks. Do one thing at a time. No multitasking. Do it slowly and deliberately. Slow. Even breathing, even drinking water, even taking a sip of cup of tea or coffee. Do it slowly and deliberately, means consciously. Do it completely. Don't leave anything half. Half things in life always trouble, like half relationships, or half read book, or half seen movie. It will torture you for the rest of your life whenever that thought comes across you. Do less, but do well. Do less. Put space between things. I to concentrate, put space between your words, because you are utilizing the pause, the infinite, the cosmos, and you are using others' imagination, like I respect you. These pauses use the spaces. Yes, this is an intelligent way, a meditative way to utilize the power of others' imagination as well as the emptiness. That's what the whole space and cosmos is all about. Develop rituals. Make it some part of your habit. Whatever it is, it can be meditation, it can be any other religious ritual as per your family history. Designate time for certain things. Specific time, yes, at 8 o'clock I will watch the news. So watch the news. Make it a part of your daily habit. At 10 p.m. I will sit with my mom. Make it a habit. Okay. In the morning at 6 a.m. I'll punch my clock and get up. So designate time for certain things. Devote time to sitting. Don't do anything. Don't think anything. Just at a specific time, simply close your eyes and sit. Free your brain. Whatever thoughts, the traffic, the cannot place is inside. The traffic of thoughts. Let it come, let it go. Many cars, many buses, many planes. Let it come, let it go. The Broadway of thought. Free it. Just sit and observe. Just watch with awareness. Smile and serve others. Smile and serve others. Even offering water with a smile becomes a nectar. And offering Rooh Afza with a frowning face becomes poisonous. So smile and serve. Make cleaning and cooking become meditation. Cleaning and cooking, meditation, means doing anything and everything with awareness. As I said earlier, even drinking water can be meditation. Just feel the sip coming on the tongue, in the throat. Let it. Be grateful, thankful that you have water, potable water. How many millions of people don't get even potable water these days throughout the world? Think about what is necessary and do that first. Think about what is necessary. And last, live simply. Simplicity is that beauty which remains with us and is highly infectious. Because कोई भी आपसे मिल करके जब लौटेगा, यार कितना सादा मिजाज आदमी है, कितना खुश मिजाज आदमी है, बहुत जिंदा दिल इंसान है. ज़िंदगी जिंदा दिली का नाम है, मुर्दा दिल क्या खाक जिया करते हैं, है ना. तो मुस्कुराते हुए मिले, फूलों की तरह से मिले. और अगर कुछ एक्सचेंज करना है तो स्मेल्स एक्सचेंज करें, फ्लावरी रोजी स्मेल्स. सो ज़ेन थिंग्स. Do one thing at a time. Do it slowly and deliberately. Do it completely. Do less. Put space between things. Develop rituals. Designate time for certain things. Devote time to sitting. Smile and serve others. Make cleaning and cooking a part of meditation. Think about what is necessary and live simply. Thank you for being with me.